Natural gas is nicely pinned to the bottom. And the one thing that's standing out is this is a pretty nice bear trend to the downside. We're running out of steam here. They failed to push down to the lows, and now we're trying to trap the bottom. And notice that we're failing closes here. That could signal a potential long. There will be buyers that are trying to come in to push the market back up again to try to reclaim some of this move to the downside. But honestly, in this circumstance, if this does turn back lower again, we could be dealing with a trap move and a subsequent follow-up move to the downside. So I'm kind of watching this area here thinking, you know what, we might have a potential scalp to the downside for a couple ticks if the market hits these lows again. So on natural gas, I'm looking for a short, for now at least, at 323. The objective is 312. 312. You could look for a little bit further movement down to the solid number 4.3. 4.3 may be a magnet, and the fact that it does line up nicely with the bottom of that channel could allow for, you know, a little bit of extra juice in the tank. But I just like the way that a potential trap setup looks here. Either way, because the fact that we're looking for an objective at a major low, like, you know, 4.3, any of those big numbers, 312 is the original objective to the downside. That's our one-to-one objective. So I would like to try to lock that in as quickly as possible. So we'll mark that on the chart there. 312 is right there. All right, taken in short. Geez, oh Pete. She's cruising. All right, stop is at 4.335. Lordy, lordy. Well, we're getting the trap move. Let's see if they can dip below those lows. They came one tick away from the target at 312. See if they can break down a little bit further. We obviously have the buyers trapped. Now we just need to see them swing below the bottom. We tested the target. Stop is at break even. Risk is off the table. Stop is locked in 1-to-1. See if you can lock in a little bit more here. Oh, it tested the target but didn't fill me. Did you see that? That to the tick test. Oh, come back. Don't screw me like that. Come on, 4.3. Give me that 2-to-1. That was some BS right there. No fill. Say what? Test it again. I'm jumping out here. I'm taking it there. That whole number is really messing with stuff. I'll take a 2-tick difference just to make sure that I get filled. I don't like the fact that it's holding that whole number so freaking well. That is a real bad sign. Yeah, and see, I would have gotten taken out of my stop. So I'm glad I jumped out where I did, but man, what a crock of BS that was. To the tick test, to the tick test, to the tick test. Just kidding.